Hey y'all, it's Grace at Living Well Realty. Today I am in the Tribute and I'm gonna show y'all a stunning custom home on a peninsula on the lake built by American legend. It is absolutely beautiful and was built custom for the lot that it's sitting on. I cannot wait to show y'all, and they are letting me give y'all a sneak peek before it even hits the market. So thank you, Amy, for that, and let's go check it out. Okay, y'all, this house is absolutely stunning. So this is not one that you could find a floor plan for. This home was built specifically for this lot, which is on this peninsula on the lake. So I want to show y'all, but before we get inside, first of all, out here we have the 3-car garage. Beautiful white painted brick, very modern colors. The sales associate, Amy, she picked a lot of the colors and she just has incredible taste. Went with a very modern look to match the style of the house. So look at this stunning entryway. We have 2 huge iron doors, and I know that they spent a lot of money just on the doors in this house. So let's take a look. Absolutely beautiful as soon as you walk in the door. I swear I lose my breath every time. So I want to show y'all this wing on the left side of the house. So this area would be a great kind of guest space, maybe a mother-in-law suite. Back here we have a bedroom. And this is just really tucked away on the side of the house. So beautiful. Views of the lake, of course. Then you have your own private full bathroom and a huge closet. So this is why I think this would be an amazing mother-in-law suite, because you get so much privacy and it's such a nice space. And this huge closet with windows and great natural light. And then your own private door out into the backyard. It's a really great space. Very high ceilings. Has that chapel peak. And then over here we have a guest half bathroom. So if people are over, that's a great space for them to use without having to be intrusive going inside the house. Now this right here could be an office, or if you wanted a formal dining room, this would also be great for that space. But having this as an office, especially if you work from home, would just be absolutely incredible. Views of the lake all the way around the house. Huge covered outdoor space. And if you did work from home, this is kind of a C-suite house. So if you had some really high-end clients coming over, they could enter the second door right here, pop into the office to meet with you, and then have access to that half bath that we just saw. So great versatile space right here. Let's keep going through the rest of the house. So you have more of those stunning iron doors. I absolutely love those. Under here is a private wine room. So we have 2 wine fridges, and you can display all of your wine bottles right here. I love the lights back behind here. It's a great touch. Everything in this house is just exceptional. They did not spare a single cent on anything. So as we continue through the house, we have the media room right here, painted to be very dark, provide a great ambiance as you're watching a movie, maybe a big game. This is a great house to host people. So you could have some really incredible parties, maybe Super Bowl parties. Y'all, look at this living space. How stunning. Okay, so we're gonna start in the kitchen here. So we do have 3 ovens. So you'll see 2 under this cooktop right here. And you have an 8-burner gas cooktop. Over here, this is gonna be your microwave above the 3rd oven. And this really pretty countertop matching the backsplash. So beautiful. Under cabinet lighting, of course. And this warm maple color countertops brings a lot of great warmth into this space so that it's not all black and white. Then, of course, the refrigerator blends right in with the cabinetry. And this space over here would be a great drink bar, serving space. There's a really great blend of glass in the cabinets, but then also solid wood. So you can hide the dishes that you don't want everyone to see, but then display some of the nicer things that you have. So beautiful. Then, all right, of course, these light fixtures, I can't miss those. They are stunning. You have beams up in the ceiling, a lot of really clean lines in this house, but then you have some curvature and architecture to make it feel a bit softer. So you have those fun pendants in the kitchen, of course, the waterfall edge on the giant island. And as I mentioned, this house was built specifically for this lot. So they took full advantage of this view. It's so beautiful. Whoever buys it needs to put a pool right there with an infinity edge. I am just saying this would be the absolute perfect place to host people for any type of event. So before we head back into the master, I will show you, we have some floating shelves right here, the linear fireplace with stone all the way to the ceiling, as we saw as soon as we walked in. Tons of windows, 2 sets of triple sliders. So this could be a great indoor-outdoor space. And then additional storage over here for books or collectibles. All right, heading back into the master. So we have this chapel ceiling with a beam. So beautiful, so much natural light, views of the lake. I have to show you all the views. Absolutely stunning. A separate exit out to the backyard if you wanted to go out for a glass of wine, have some more private time without having to go through the kitchen. Great big room, and then we have French doors leading into the primary bathroom. So let's go check this out. It's stunning. So we have very clean floors, this white, larger tiles laid linear, so they are laid right on top of each other, kind of stacked. To the left, we have the water closet with a separate door. Y'all, look at this wall. Isn't this stunning? So you have this black, and it has just some white detail to tie into the floor, if you can see. And then a beautiful oval freestanding tub. These kind of brassy gold fixtures makes it feel so modern. It's kind of that mid-century modern, which I love so much. But it's not too much. I don't think it'll go out of style at all. Then again, we have some of those warm maple cabinets, makeup counter with dual vanity, floating shelves in each corner, and these light fixtures are so cool. And they do provide great light, so if we're doing makeup in here, that's always super important to think about. So stunning. 2 shower heads over here. So beautiful. All right, let's pop into the closet. American Legend builds beautiful closets. They're so thoughtful with every closet that they put in each house. So they have these triple hanging rods. So that third one up at the top, that's called the seasonal line. So clothes that you wouldn't use all of the time. Maybe if it's summer, you would put your winter jackets up there. And then they have long hangers so that you can, or hooks so that you can sub out your clothes with the change of the seasons. Tons of shoe storage and just different levels so that you have shelves, different types of hanging things. We all have different needs. And then we have the shoe shelves on each side so you can make this his and hers, cabinets. And this right here is kind of a hidden door. So that goes into the laundry room. So you can put your hamper right here and then open it on the other side to do your laundry, which is brilliant. I don't know why more people don't do that. So that's a little secret trick that Amy showed me. I would never have guessed that opened up into the laundry. So let's swing around and we'll take a look at that laundry room that I was talking about. Oh my goodness, just soak in this view though. So they are about to list this house. They haven't yet, and it's gonna go fast. So give me a call if you want a private tour, because it's absolutely stunning. So this right here, you have the pantry to the left. So we just came through the kitchen. And then we have the mudroom, plenty of storage for coats, shoes. If you have littles, you could put backpacks there. Also a great place for purses. And this is that beautiful laundry room. So we have windows in just about every room, which I love. I love natural light. Really fun floor in here. Of course, the sink, a mix of open and closed shelving. And then right here, this is what I mentioned before. So that in there is the master closet. So you could just put your laundry right there, throw it in the wash. You could even fold it in here, tuck it back through there. So smart. I am obsessed with that idea. I'm so excited to hear what y'all think about this house. I have been keeping my eyes on it for a while. Amy told me about it, and I've been so excited to walk through it. Finally came through a couple weeks ago, and I said, I have to show y'all. And Amy is so sweet, and she said, absolutely, do a video, show whoever you want. So I hope y'all enjoy. A lot of people don't even know about this house yet. Okay, look at this light fixture. So we are in the front of the house again, heading upstairs. So beautiful. So it ties in with that same kind of brassy gold that we've seen throughout the house. Really modern, matches the style of this house so well. And then we have the black railing tied in with the warmth of the floors. So this up here is what we call the game room in Texas. Over here is a wine bar. Look at this countertop, it's so pretty. And again, just like they did downstairs, they tie in the countertop with this backsplash. So it all looks like one seamless piece. So beautiful, more floating shelves. You're gonna have some glass in these cabinets up here. Tons of storage, so more entertaining space. What I love that they added up here is this outdoor patio. So you have a ceiling fan, just a great space to look out over the lake, soak in the view. I think this would be a really fun evening space. So come up here, grab a glass of wine from the wine bar, and hang out over here. So we have another bedroom. This one also has a door out to this patio. Beautiful views from every room. Over here we have a good sized closet. And then the ensuite bathroom. The colors throughout this entire house go so seamlessly together. So up here you have the tub and shower, more of those kind of brassy gold tones, and that ties into this countertop and the flooring. So beautiful. And they even added this detail, putting it on the window ledge. It's just so thoughtful. Here's the view from this bathroom. So it looks out, there is a green belt right next to the house. So beautiful. This bedroom is carpet. It's covered up to protect it, but really good quality carpet. All right, let's go back to this other side of the house. So here is a peek downstairs at what we already saw. So this is all very open. They even added these little windows so you can soak in the entire view. Oh my goodness. One of y'all better buy this real quick before I do. All right, so we have another bedroom. Back here, great carpet, ceiling fan, nice big closet. We have a bathroom, so this will be shared by the 2 rooms up here. So you do have the dual vanity, and this one went with more of the black tones, so also ties in with the rest of the house, but just kind of mixes it up. So you have black appliances, the knobs, the flooring. So beautiful. Even the light fixtures are the same, but just a different color. So pretty. Okay, and then this is the last bedroom over here. So the 5th, I believe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes, sorry, I had to count. 5th bedroom. So we are upstairs, also have a ceiling fan, 2 big windows right here, big old closet. They really gave these rooms great closet space. A lot of times the upstairs bedrooms kind of get forgotten, but these absolutely didn't. Then the last little nook to show you is this desk. So built in right here, great additional workspace, or if you just want to sit, maybe write some thank you notes, Christmas cards, whatever you want to use that for, it's a great use of space. All right, y'all, that is it. I'll give you one more quick look at that lake. Man, isn't that stunning? All right, y'all, this house is going to go so fast as soon as they list it. I wanted to give y'all the first peek at this stunning house. My information is below, so give me a call if you want to come see it.